The biggest flex of this phone is watching things with the screen bent. Like, that's so funny. Today we have a video that I've been pretty excited to make since I saw this thing get released. So we're gonna get into it, and yeah. So put that aside, and wow, that's actually a really tiny box. So let's put this over here, and Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. Yeah, do not accept that the seal is broken. The seal is not broken, so, and neither is the top one. So let me open these. And I'm gonna be honest, after looking at the specs for this thing, I was like, the folding stuff is what I really like, but you know, the camera is just not really it. But I'm gonna try the phone. I'm pretty sure I have like 60 days or whatever to see how I like it. If not, I'll switch over to what do you call it, the Note, not Note, the Galaxy 21 Ultra or whatever. But yeah, I'm not really an unboxer, but I'm just showing you guys, you know, stuff. So I have more accessories coming, like a wireless charger and everything, but that's just like not here yet. And it's unfolded right now, so I guess I just have to, you know, start peeling everything off. It's like really making me really anxious to touch this thing, even though it's like, it's mine, but like, yeah. So here it is, and this is gonna be my first time folding a phone. So let me see, like, how do you, does it just fold? Oh my god, that's so crazy. Like, yo, that's really crazy. Like, I just flipped the phone. So actually, let's check and see if there's a SIM card in there. If not, I have to put the one that's in my phone, and I'm recording with my phone, so that'll be pretty annoying. But yeah, I do hope there is a SIM card in here. Let's see. There is a SIM card. So boom. Good. So that means I can, let's do it together. I think that's the power on, but oh, it's doing something. It's doing something. This is really crazy. Like, the flipping open thingy just tripped me out. Cause I'm like, bro, is this gonna break? Like, granted, it's not gonna break because it got like crazy. It's made with craziness, but it's just like, bro, like, yeah. So I'm gonna also be comparing it size-wise to my Note 10 Plus eventually, and my tablet 5 SE. I also have a watch, but the screen, I'm having issues with that, so I'm gonna have to get it replaced. One thing I also do hope is that I actually get 5G, because it's saying 5G here, but I'm not sure if it's gonna actually get 5G, because I don't believe there's really 5G in the area. But if this thing is getting 5G here, then these people owe me a lot of money, because I've been paying for 5G and I don't get 5G here. So yeah, camera stuff looks cool. So start. Next, verify your account, enter account PIN. Okay. Back. Oh, okay, now I can. I think that'll do it. It doesn't matter. Huh? How did blood clot? Oh, wait, no. Huh, what pin? To get started, enter your 405 character pin. What is a pin? A pin is a password created by the account owner. We don't have that. I'll get back to you guys in a second. Alright, so, like, this is, I don't know why, but this is really, like, tripping me out. Let me see how I can, like, set this phone up or something, like, let's see. I don't even... Like... Yo, like, that is really tripping me out, like, and then... Like, that is so crazy. So this is definitely a flex phone for sure. I gotta probably spend a couple days with it and see how I like it, but I definitely have to call Verizon because I have full 5G, and that means for like 2 years I've been paying for 5G, but I've had no 5G on my Note 10. So they owe me some. They need to come up off some bread by G. So yeah, I'm gonna be playing around with this phone. I'm gonna set this phone up on something so you guys could like see me do this, but yeah, give me like a couple seconds. Yo, like, this is so trippy. Let me see where the thing is. So like, that is so wild. That's really crazy. This is like, granted, this is really just, I'm pretty sure this is just super gimmicky, but like, it's such a sick feature. And the 120 hertz refresh rate is really cool. Size comparison with my Galaxy Tab 5 SE. So like, it's like half the size. So that's good because it's like a medium sized thing. So like, yeah, but like, this is just really cool. The camera is really iffy, but I just have to test it. But it looks decent. Like, it seems like the more I'm using it, the better the camera's getting. Because before it was like super iffy. But yeah, as time goes on, I'll see if this phone is worth keeping, or if I'm gonna get rid of it and get the the Galaxy 21 Ultra. I really don't know the name of it, but yeah. So I'll get back to you in the next one. If this phone is good, I'll let you know. If it's trash, I'll let you know. That's so sick.